friends, today we are cooking another delicious Chinese restaurant classic, beef fried rice. For this delicious recipe, you will need 4 cups of pre-cooked jasmine rice, tri-tip beef. To marinate the beef, you will need cornstarch, soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and Chinese cooking wine. You will also need mixed vegetables, eggs, soy sauce, minced garlic, kosher salt, and white pepper powder. First, the marinade for the beef. In a small saucepan, combine soy sauce, Chinese cooking wine, dark soy sauce, and cornstarch. Mix together. Now slice the beef into small bite-sized pieces and place into the marinade. Marinate the beef for 30 minutes. Olive oil, minced garlic, and marinated beef. Now in the same wok on high heat, add a little more olive oil and scramble the eggs. Now add the mixed vegetables, pre-cooked rice, now add the soy sauce, kosher salt, white pepper powder, and lightly fried beef. Make sure not to add the juice from the cooked beef or the rice will become mushy. And here you have another delicious Chinese restaurant classic, beef fried rice. Delicious. My name is Mai. We hope you enjoy watching our video. If you would like this delicious recipe, please visit our website.